once again to Kirk Kooks, and it is once again Pizza Wednesday, and we are once again cooking a pizza from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This pizza comes from episode 86, Funny They Shrunk Michelangelo. The toppings on this one, butter, salami and yoghurt. Well actually, double yoghurt. So we put yoghurt on, then we put it on twice as much, I guess. Sounds nice, yeah? So first things first, need to make some dough. Here's a quick recap of the dough process. Cold water, boiling water, yeast, give that a mix, flour, salt, yeast and water mix, knead, grease your bowl, give that a wipe, work your dough into a ball, cover and leave to proof until doubled in size. I'm also going to need a quick tomato sauce for the base. Here's a quick recap of that process. Tin of tomatoes, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, pinch of garlic granules, pinch of basil, a pinch of oregano and blend. And that's finished. And once you've got those ready, you should be left with a dough ball to make a pizza with. A little sprinkle of flour on your surface. Let's get this stretched out. I'm going to try things a little bit different today. I've got some of these pizza sheets. It's a 12-inch one. Just going to pop this on there. That gives us about a 10-inch pizza. Take about a ladle of tomato sauce. Pour that on. Give that a good smoothing around. So then we're ready for our delicious toppings. Let's start with the salami. Pop some salami on this. See, right now it looks nice. It's not going to soon. Just add some pieces of butter onto this. Oh, let's just put a piece on every single piece of salami. So as this is double yoghurt, I'm going to put some yoghurt on now, put some cheese on, then put another layer of yoghurt on top of the cheese. Just spoon a bit of that onto here, try and drizzle it if we can. Just got a bit of vanilla yoghurt here. We don't want anything too extravagant because it might overpower the pizza and make it taste awful. Then let's add a bit of mozzarella. And then let's add our second of the double yoghurt. And that is now ready for the oven. It doesn't actually look terrible, but the yoghurt sort of looks a bit like a garlic sauce or something just on a pepperoni pizza, but it's not, it's vanilla. And then you've also got like these big, massive chunks of butter, which are all just gonna melt and just, I imagine, create a horrible mess. So, let's get this in the stove. I'm gonna leave it on this. We'll see how that goes. And that is our butter, salami and double yoghurt pizza cooked. Oh God. Yeah, that's just grease all coming from the butter. Oh my. You can see all the butter has just made a horrible, horrible, greasy, buttery mess. I don't think that vanilla yogurt's going to taste very nice either. Okay. Here looks like it's got a bit of pepperoni, a bit of yogurt and a nice blob of melty butter on it.
Butter and salami pizza with double yogurt topping. Michelangelo doesn't know what he's missing.
Oh my God. So, let's give this melty, buttery, yogurty pizza a taste. You know what? It's not actually that bad. It's just tastes like an incredibly greasy pepperoni pizza, to be honest. You can barely taste the yogurt. Yeah, it sort of just tastes like a pepperoni pizza. Not terrible. I wouldn't choose to make it again, like, because it just looks an absolute mess. I mean, you can see all the butter just dripping everywhere. So, that is another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pizza covered. First one that is actually edible. I mean, I could eat this. I'm not going to, but If you're desperate for a pizza, you could eat that. I mean, I don't know why you'd put the yogurt and the butter on it. You could have just made a nice pepperoni pizza, but yeah. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I don't think I'm going to eat this. Bye.